Good morning to children. In previous class completed 1 to 5 problems in exercise 1. Now we are going to the 6th problem. See my 6th problem. Abdul is preparing for his final exam. He has completed 5 by 12 part of his course content. Find how much course content is left. Find how much course content is left. Solution. Abdul is preparing for his final exam. Abdul is preparing for his final exam. Let the total part to be 1. Let the total part to be 1. Completed part equal to 5 by 12. Completed part equal to 5 by 12. Okay. Next, how much course content is left? So, part of course content is left. Part of course content is left equal total part how much mark? 1. Total part 1 minus completed part 5 by 12. Completed part 5 by 12. And left part means 1 minus 5 by 12. 1 minus 5 by 12. 1 means we will write 12 by 12. 1 means 12 by 12 minus 5 by 12 equal to 12. 12 minus 5. 12 minus 5. 12 minus 5 how much ma? 7. 7 by 12. 7 by 12. Part of course content is left is 7 by 12. Okay. Now next 7th one. The next problem, see my 7th problem. Find the perimeters of triangle ABE. Find the perimeters of triangle ABE. The rectangle BCDE in this figure. See the figure here. ABCDE. Okay. ABE is the triangle and BCDE is the rectangle. Okay. Two perimeters find out. Next, which figures has greater perimeter? And by how much? Okay. See solution. First one, find out the perimeter of triangle ABE. Perimeter of triangle ABE. Perimeter of triangle ABE equal to, see my perimeter of triangle means sum of the sides. AB plus BE plus EA. AB plus BE plus EA. AB value how much given here? 3 1 by 3 centimeters. 3 1 by 3 centimeters. Plus BE value 2 1 by 5 centimeters. 2 1 by 5 centimeters. Plus EA value 4 2 by 3 centimeters. 4 2 by 3 centimeters. Okay. 3 1 by 3. 3 3s are 9 plus 1. 10 by 3. 10 by 3 plus 2 1 by 5. 2 5s are 10 plus 1. 11. 11 by 5 plus 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 2. 14. 14 by 3 equal to, see ma, 3 1 by 3 plus 2 1 by 5 plus 4 2 by 3. Here given 3 mixed fraction. Convert to the improper fraction. 3 3s are 9 plus 1. 10 by 3 plus 2 5s are 10. 10 plus 1. 11 by 5 plus 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 2. 14. 14 by 3. 3, 5, 3 LCM find out. 3, 5, 3. LCM 3 table 1, 5, 3 ones. Okay. 3 5s are 15. LCM is 15. 3 how many times in 15? 5 times. 5 into numerator 10 plus 5 how many times? 3 times. 3 into numerator 11 plus 3 how many times? 5 times. 5 into numerator 14 equal to 5 times are 50 plus 11 3s are 33 plus 14 5s are 70 by 15 equal to 50 plus 33 83 83 plus 70 153 153 by 15 153 by 15. Okay, this one convert to the mixed fraction. Okay, 15 times 150 3 by 15. Okay, 10 3 by 15 centimeters. 10 3 by 15 centimeters. This is the perimeter of triangle ABE. Perimeter of triangle ABE. Next, we find the perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle. Equal to perimeter of rectangle. Formula, all sides add ma. All sides add 2 into length plus breadth. 2 into length plus breadth. Length how much here? 2 1 by 5. Breadth 1 2 by 3. 2 into 2 1 by 5 centimeters plus 1 2 by 3 centimeters. 1 2 by 3 centimeters equal to 2 into, here also mixed fractions given, convert to the improper. 2 5s 10, 10 plus 1, 11 by 5 plus 1 3s are 3 plus 2, 5 by 3. 5 3 LCM 15. 5 how many times ma? 3 times. 3 into 11 plus 5 into 5 equal to 2 into 11 3 is 33 plus 5 by the 25 by 15 equal to 2 into 33 plus 25 58 by 15 58 by 15 equal to 58 2s are 8 are 16 116 by 15 116 by 15 convert to the mixed fraction. 15 7s 105 11 by 15 7 11 by 15. Perimeter of rectangle is 7 11 by 15 centimeter. Perimeter of triangle ABE is 10 3 by 15 centimeter. Which figures has greater perimeter and by how much? See my here 153 by 15, here 116 by 15. Which perimeter is greater ma? Yes, perimeter of triangle ABE greater. Therefore, perimeter of triangle ABE is greater. Okay, by how much? By how much given? So difference find ma. Difference equal to big number 153 minus 15 by 153 by 15 minus 116 by 15. 116 by 15. Okay, both are like fractions. So 15. 153 minus 116 equal to 13 minus 6. 13 minus 6 7. 4 minus 1 3. Okay, 37 by 15 equal to 15 2s 30. 2 7 by 15. 2 7 by 15 centimeter. 2 7 by 15 centimeter greater than perimeter of rectangle BCDE. Okay, understood? See once again. Perimeter of triangle ABE value 153 by 15. Perimeter of rectangle BCDE values 116 by 15. So perimeter of triangle AB is greater. By how much means 217 7 by 15 centimeters. Okay. Okay, ma. Okay, ma. Up to now we discussed fractions, addition of fractions and subtraction of fractions. Now multiplications of fractions. Multiplications of fraction. Multiplication of fraction. Fraction multiplied by a whole number. Fraction multiplied by fraction. Fraction multiplied by mixed fraction. Now see, fraction by a whole number. Fraction by a whole number. Example, 4 into 1 by 2. 4 into 1 by 2. This is the fraction. This is the whole number. Whole number into fraction. Whole number into fraction. Okay. This meaning 4 times 1 by 2. This meaning 4 times 1 by 2. 4 times 1 by 2. 4 times 1 by 2. Okay. 4 times 1 by 2. 3 into 1 by 2 means 3 into 1 by 2 means 3 times 1 by 2. 3 times 1 by 2. 3 times 1 by 2. Okay. 3 times 1 by 2 and 3 halves. 1 by 2 means half. 3 halves. Okay. Understood? Next. Whole number into fraction. Whole number into fractions are examples. Next. Fraction into fraction. 3 by 4 into 3 by 4 into 2 by 5. 3 by 4 into 2 by 5. See, product of fraction into fraction means product of numerators by product of denominators. Okay, product of numerators by product of denominator. So, product of numerators means 3 into 2 by product of denominators means 4 into 5. 4 into 5. 3 into 2 by 4 into 5 equal to 3 2s are 6 by 4 5s are 20. 6 by 20. Okay, 3 by 4 into 2 by 5 is 6 by 20. Okay, common factor 2 is there. So, divide the by 2. Divide by 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 times are 20 equal to 3 by 10. Okay, fraction into fractions. This one. Next, fraction into mixed fraction. Fraction into mixed fraction. For example, 5 into, okay, 5 by 3 into 5 by 3 into 1 2 by 3. 1 2 by 3. Okay, 5 by 3 into mixed fraction. Mixed fraction converted to the improper fraction. 1 3 is 3 plus 2 5. 5 by 3 equal to, now both are fraction form. So, product of numerators by product of denominators. Product of numerators 5 into 5 by 3 into 3 equal to 5 5 is 25 by 3 3 is 9. Okay. So, here common factor not have ma. Here numerator and denominator. That's why 25 by 9. Okay. Leave it. Now, we are going to the exercise 2. Okay, exercise 2, first problem Sima. Multiply the following, write the answer as a mixed fraction. Multiply the following, write the answer as a mixed fraction. First one see, first one solution, 3 by 6 into 10. 3 by 6 into 10. Okay, fraction into whole number. Fraction into whole number equal to 3 by 6, 3 into 10. 3 into 10 by 6. 3 into 10 by 6 equal to 3 tens are 30. 30 by 6. 30 by 6. 6 ones, 6 fives equal to 5. Okay. 5. 5 means 5 by 1 means 5. Okay. Second one solution see. 1 by 3 into 4. 1 by 3 into 4 equal to 1 into 4. 1 into 4 by 3. 1 by 3 into 4 means 1 into 4 by 3 equal to 1 4 is the 4. 4 by 3. 4 by 3. 4 by 3 is the improper fraction. So, we convert to the mixed fraction. 3 ones 3. 1 by 3. 3 1 3 by 1 1 by 3. 4 by 3 means 1, 1 by 3. Okay, this is the second one. Next, third one, 6 by 7 into 2. 6 by 7 into 2. 6 into 2 by 7. 6 into 2 by 7. 6 2s are 12 by 7. 12 by 7. This one also improper fraction. So, we convert to the mixed fraction. 12 by 7 means divide the 7. Okay, 7 ones are 7. 12 minus 7, 5. Remainder is the 5. First write the quotient. 1 5 by 7. 1 5 by 7. 6 by 7 into 2 means 1 5 by 7. Next, fourth one. 2 by 9 into 5. 2 by 9 into 5. 2 into 5. 2 into 5 by 9. 2 into 5 by 9. 2 5s are 10. 10 by 9. 10 by 9 equal to, mix convert to the mixed fraction. 1 1 by 9. 1 1 by 9. Okay, 2 by 9 into 5 value 1 1 by 9. Okay, next this Roman last one, Sima. Fifth one, 15 into 2 by 5. 15 into 2 by 5. 15 into 2 by 5. 15 into 2 by 5 equal to 15 2s are 30. 30 by 5. 15 2s are 30. 30 by 5 means 5 1s 5. 5 6 are 30. 6 by 1. 6 by 1 means 6. 6 by 1 means 6. Okay. 15 into 2 by 5 equal to 6. Okay, understood? Once again see. First Roman, 3 by 6 into 10. 3 into 10 by 6. 3 10s are 30 by 6. 5. Okay. Okay, 3 by 6 into 10. Okay, 3 into 10 30. 30 by 6. 30 by 6 means 6 5s are 30. Okay, here denominator 6 is there. That's why 5 0 by 6. 5 0 by 6. Why? Because here 5 6 are 30. 30 plus 0 30. 30 by 6. Okay, improper fraction. Okay, 5 or 5 0 by 6. Next, 1 by 3 into 4. 1 into 4 by 3. 4 ones are 4. 4 by 3. Okay, 1 1 by 3. 1 1 by 3. Next, 6 by 7 into 2. 6 into 2 by 7. 6 into 2 by 7. 12 by 7. 1 5 by 7. Next, fourth one. 2 by 9 into 5. 2 5s are 10. 10 by 9 means 1 1 by 9. Next, 15 into 2 by 5. 15 2s are 30. 30 by 5 means 6. Okay, here denominator 5 is there. So, 6 0 by 5. We will write 6 or 6 0 by 5. 6 or 6 0 by 5. See, 6 5 is 30 plus 0, 30. 30 by 5. Okay, understood? Okay, first one completed. Okay, thank you.